All right, y'all, we got the propeller, my very first propeller, but this is my third revision of this one. This thing looks pretty cool. This is how it looks right now. Did not try it out yet, and this is how it looks fresh off the printer. I did no sanding, but it looks like that. But if you look at the other side, it looks like this. That does not look smooth. It's not smooth, but I don't think sanding it down right now is necessary, so we can leave it like this. But the thing is, when I run it with this propeller on it, I don't know what I'm gonna put this engine on, because if it ran like this, it's gonna hit the engine stand. You know, look at it. This thing is looking more and more complete. Still modifying it. Gotta make the exhaust on it now. And whatever else I can think of. Anything. Honestly. Anything. Flat 6 with the propeller generated. Let's hook it up and see what happens. All right, y'all, we have it on a block of wood for the engine stand, and it's just long enough to clear the flywheel too. So this is how it's gonna be. I gotta be careful. I think I'm gonna have to hold it. All right, y'all, here we go. My flywheel coming off. I'm surprised this thing didn't fly off, but it's running good, y'all. Y'all hear it? All right, the flywheel's coming off. We got it back on now, so let's give it another run. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Oh. Hold on, let me put y'all back. flip it around. All right, y'all, I kind of knew that was gonna happen, but the the propeller flew off the front of the engine and hit the air compressor. So far, that's the only damage that I see to it. I kind of don't want to run it no more. I don't know if this is gonna, I know it's gonna affect it a little bit, but I don't know. Yes, sir, the flat six got some damage. Still looks good. All right, y'all, I might end things there. This is the flat six. Hold on. Is this thing good? I think it's probably still good. Okay, still no play in the crankshaft bearing area. Okay, cool. All right, y'all, I consider that successful. Yeah, this thing would be really cool to have an airplane, like just an actual plane with it, because this thing, the air felt good. I won't lie, like standing behind it while the air blowing towards me, it actually felt good. Like, and it still had a lot of more power in the tank, but I didn't want to push it too fast to let the propeller come back off, because there's nothing holding it. I only put some tape on the thing just to, like, I don't know, just for a little bit more friction, a little bit more grip on the shaft. But that's cool, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this thing. And yes, it can still go on the engine stand. Like, you can't run it on it. It's still cool because it can still fit on the engine stand just like this. And here it is. Flat six with the propeller on it, on the engine stand. You just can't rotate it. But y'all like, man, add some exhaust ports, some exhaust pipes to it. Bro, this thing is just getting started, man. It's crazy. I can modify this thing. I can do whatever I want to. I can do whatever I want to. Turn this thing into an airplane. Look at this, y'all. I never did this before. It's my first time. Let me know if this was a success with the propeller. Like, just the, like, look at the design. Like, man, that's my first one. It's like, it's crazy.